Oh yeah, that's Toon. Bitch!
Hello, Scooby. How is doing? Do you like the place here? I love it. Yeah.
What the fuck are we, Chris? I will home to my little girly duck. Uh-huh. What the fuck are we?
Fine, let's go home, bitch. And you have make a poop on the floor. So yes, move. All right, we're home now. So what should we do? Yeah, I don't know. Oh my god! I don't know. Serious, Scooby? Do you have any ideas? Huh? Please.
We could fax,
No!
alright. This was just an idea. You say I should come with ideas, so... Alright. Maybe next time.
Aha! I have an idea, Scooby. We can go out and get some babies. Girlfriends, dog friends, dog girlfriends. I don't know, but it's a good idea. Come on, Scooby. Look, Scooby. That's the hottest girl ever, named Daniel. Oh yeah, she's so hot. Oh yeah, fight on, there's a fight on. Come on, Rumship, come on. Hello, Daniel. You are hot today. My name is Danielle. Duh.
Ha! Fail?
When, Chris, is that your name? Never mind. Fuck off, bitch. She's talked to me. Daniel, I will miss you.
Ha 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 ha! Fail? She's name is Danielle, bitch!